You've probably seen Temu everywhere, but how safe is it to shop from Temu? It's fast, just a click. It's beyond cheap. We're talking about Temu, the marketplace owned by PDD Holdings. From school supplies to furniture and electronics, everything is sold at a fraction of the usual cost. Shoppers are hooked on the heavy discounts and constant coupons. It's easy to see why. When you're grabbing items for $1 or picking up $6 pajamas that would normally cost $20, it feels like a win. But for parents, that win might come with a hidden cost. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission's recently recalled over 45,000 children's pajamas sold on a platform, warning they pose a serious brain risk. As a parent, that's a nightmare. You don't expect a simple pair of PJs to put your child in danger. This isn't just a one off mistake. We've seen a pattern of recalls on children's gear. Federal authorities flagged bike helmets that failed to protect kids during crashes and pulled thousands of magnetic chest sets because the small magnets could be swallowed, leading to severe internal injuries. Experts have even found counterfeit car seats and various other hazardous toys being shipped directly to families. The real problem is the loophole. Because these items are shipped straight from overseas to your door, they often dodge the strict safety regulations that local retailers have to follow. A 2023 House report revealed that because these shipments are usually worth less than $800, they bypass many U.S. custom inspections. They aren't getting the same level of scrutiny, which is how dangerous merchandise and counterfeits slip through the cracks. In response, Temu stated that recalls are a standard part of the industry to ensure safety and that they work with regulators to offer full refunds to anyone affected. Still, the responsibility ultimately falls on the consumer. Before you check out that too good to be true deal, you have to ask yourself, where is this coming from? How is it made? And is that low price really worth the risk?